Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a lesson on even and odd, and it is called Even Steven, Odd Todd. This is a short video where you'll find all the info you need to know to practice and look at before we come to class and apply the lesson. You'll see here is a table of contents. That means this is showing everything that is inside of our lesson. There's vocabulary, an instructional video, the book, a question about the book, how to practice, and then a game for application. Vocabulary that you need to know. Even. Even is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. Odd is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. There is also further explanation about pairs. Pairs have to do with even numbers, and leftover numbers have to do with odd numbers. An instructional video is here. When you click on the box here, it'll show you a video and it talks about pairing. So 2 paired together is even, but if someone is left out, it is odd. So what is one way you can evaluate if a number is even? They pair up, and you need to be able to explain this concept to someone in your home. Same for odd. How do you know it's odd? Somebody's left over, and you need to explain that to someone in your home as well. Okay. There's a book, Even Steven and Odd Todd, and it just talks about all the ways that Even Steven likes to do things. He has even numbers of everything, and then Odd Todd is his cousin, and he's a little backwards, and he likes it a little odd, a little different. And Even Steven learns that odd can be good. Okay. After you read the book, there's a challenge, a thinking question on Even Steven likes even numbers. Write even numbers that come after 12. And then Odd Todd likes odd numbers. Write the odd numbers that come after 11. I'd like for you to do this to at least 20. And if you want to challenge yourself, do it as far as you can. I'd love to hear how far you got. There's also for independent practice. So there's a little game here. So if you click on the dice, it'll take you to a dice application where you can roll dice. And then once you have the numbers, let's say like this dice here, these die have the number 4 and the number 3. So you click on this worksheet, it'll take you to a drawing in Google Drawing, and you put 4 in this box, 3 in this box. The answer is 7, and according to the directions, you color it either red or blue, depending on if you feel that it is odd or it is even. Okay. And here's just a reminder, numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers, or any numbers that end with these numbers are even. And these are odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. They are odd by themselves, or any numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd. I look forward to this challenging time that we have together, and I'll see you in class. Thank you.